Everyone, JJ Cagle here. In this video I am going to be showing you how to use the Translate app in iOS 14. So first we are going to want to, of course, open up the Translate app. And once we get in there, we are presented with an interface like this. So at the top here we can see English on the left and Spanish on the right. So this is where you select which two languages you want. So I am going to go ahead and just leave it at Spanish, but if the other person was talking to you in French, you could set that to French. And let's just say you want to figure out the Spanish word for hi. You could just click on this microphone icon at the bottom and say hi. And of course it'll translate whatever you said. It thought I said Adam and say hi, so it says Adan ya saludo. Now, if you are talking with someone on the street and you want to be able to understand them in real time, turning over to landscape mode, we can actually translate a conversation in real time. So let's say I greet a person who speaks Spanish. Hello. It will translate to Spanish in live time and display it on the right side for the Spanish speaking person to read. Now let's say they greet me back. Hola. It will translate Spanish into English, which I can read on the left side, and it will automatically detect which language is being spoken. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.